Drinking water from Forrest Love copper water bottles and glasses offers Ayurveda and vitality benefits. Our scientific studies prove that copper benefits can be best observed within a period of 8 to 12 hours of storage time. We do not recommend consuming water stored for longer than 16 hours in a copper vessel. Ayurveda suggests storing water in your copper bottle overnight. Drink this copper-enriched water first thing in the morning or even throughout the day. Copper keeps water naturally cool. Thanks to its cooling effect, you will instantly feel refreshed and energized on drinking copper water. Copper water also brings balance in all 3 doshas in our body. Our scientific studies prove that Forrest Love water bottles can increase pH levels and alkalinity of water and thus purify water naturally. If you prefer drinking warm or hot water, you can gladly warm up the water stored in a copper vessel before drinking. We wish you great health and vitality with your Tamrajal.